Welcome to Invest with Neko B.
Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Saving cash in a normal bank account means losing purchasing power to inflation every year. To actually buy stocks and build wealth, you have to build a bridge from your bank to the market, and that bridge is a brokerage account. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to open that account, move money into it, and purchase your first investment, step by step. Before we start clicking, you need 3 specific things in front of you: your social security number, your current bank account login credentials, and a starting balance of at least $100. There is no confusing financial jargon ahead. You can complete this entire setup in one sitting, right now. Getting these items ready and knowing exactly what we're about to do removes the initial friction that keeps most beginners permanently on the sidelines. Go to the Fidelity homepage and click the main button to open an account. Select a Roth IRA, which acts like a locked bucket where money grows tax-free for retirement. Alongside it, open a standard taxable brokerage account. This bucket stays unlocked, holding funds you might want to access before you reach retirement age. Once you click through, the application asks for basic legal details: your full name, your date of birth, and your current home address. You will then hit a screen asking for your social security number and your employer information. This is a strict federal requirement. The SEC and FinCEN mandate this exact data collection as an anti-fraud measure to verify identity across the financial system. It is standard procedure. Next, the site will prompt you to link your bank account. You can do this securely by logging in through Plaid or by typing in your routing number manually. Go ahead and initiate a $100 transfer. That transfer relies on the ACH network, so it will take 1 to 3 business days to clear. But by completing this security verification and initiating the funds, you have officially established your bridge to the financial markets. Now that your account is funded, it's time to invest. Instead of trying to guess which individual company will perform best this year, we are going to buy a highly diversified index fund. Looking at this search bar interface, type in the letters VOO. This pulls up the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. This diagram illustrates exactly how the fund works. Purchasing a single share gives you instant proportional ownership in the 500 largest companies in the American economy simultaneously. Click on that ticker symbol to open your trade ticket and select the green button to buy. One full share currently trades for around $470. If you are starting with less, simply navigate to the dollar amount field and type in $50 to purchase a fractional share. These fractional shares function exactly the same as whole shares. They capture the exact same percentage of market growth and pay the same proportional dividends, allowing you to enter the market on any budget. Finally, locate the Order Type drop-down menu and select Market Order. This instruction tells the broker to buy the shares immediately at the current available price, eliminating the need to time the market. You bypass the high cost of entry, lock in your order, and immediately secure your participation in the broader market's long-term growth. Your first purchase is complete. To ensure this wasn't an isolated event, navigate to the platform's Recurring Transfers and Investments tab. Check out this scheduling tool. Here, you will set up an automated recurring investment for whatever dollar amount you can comfortably afford, scheduled to pull from your bank on the 1st and 15th of every month. This schedule creates a mathematical advantage called dollar cost averaging. Because your investment amount stays fixed, you automatically buy more shares when market prices dip and fewer shares when prices peak. This mechanical routine removes human emotion from your strategy. You never have to hesitate, guess, or panic buy based on the daily news cycle. Setting up this specific automation is the defining difference between someone who just opened an account and a disciplined investor who is systematically building wealth. Congratulations! By executing those steps, you now own a tangible piece of the American economy. You successfully established your accounts, securely linked your bank, executed a fractional market order, and automated your future investments. There is exactly one instruction left: log out of the brokerage app and actively refuse the urge to check your balance tomorrow. Obsessing over daily red and green market fluctuations drains your mental bandwidth, often leading to panic selling and harmed returns. True wealth grows steadily over decades, completely unbothered by the passing storms of the daily news cycle and short-term volatility. Ultimately, investing lets automated systems do the heavy financial lifting in the background, freeing you up to focus your energy on.
That's a wrap for today. See you tomorrow with another lesson.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you then.
The information provided on this podcast is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. I am not a financial advisor, and the strategies or assets discussed may not be suitable for your personal financial situation. Investing involves risk, including the loss of principal. You should always consult with a licensed professional before making any financial decisions.